Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the White Castle online ordering app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The White Castle app is designed to make ordering your favorite sliders, fries, and drinks faster and easier. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full White Castle menu, customize their orders, and choose between pickup, curbside, or delivery options. It's especially helpful for frequent customers who want to skip the line and save time by ordering ahead. The app's standout feature is its Craver Nation Rewards Program, which offers members exclusive deals, digital coupons, and reward points for every purchase. You can track your rewards, redeem discounts directly in the app, and even get access to limited-time offers and menu items before anyone else. The app also supports secure mobile payments, favorite order saving, and detailed nutritional information for each menu item. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise its smooth interface, quick response times, and reliable order tracking. The Craver Nation deals are particularly appreciated for offering genuine savings and fun surprises for loyal customers. However, some users have reported minor issues like delayed order confirmations, occasional glitches with location detection, or errors when applying coupons. In summary, the White Castle online ordering app may be worth using if you're a fan of the brand and want a convenient way to order your favorite sliders while earning rewards at the same time. However, if you prefer ordering in person or don't visit White Castle often, you might not benefit as much from the app's loyalty features. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.